go, I go, you stay, I stay. One song to sing.
Alright, like this. Before, after. This is the key remote that I got with the car, with the R6, and then just got this in the mail. Ordered it through my boy Corey. Shout out to Corey, closer. Thank you. Yeah, it's one thing that I do, or I used to do when I got used cars. I would always get a brand new remote and key. I got the key on the way also. I don't know. It just signifies the car's mine. I mean, this thing's been dropped like millions of times with the past owners. It's chewed up by the dog. All kinds of stories, you know? This is a fresh, brand new key fob. Alright guys, it is 2 o'clock. About to break my fast. Usually after drinking and eating, a night of drinking and eating, I don't have an appetite for a long period of time the next day, just because I have, you know, a lot of calories in me from the prior night. The main thing after drinking is I just hydrate, just like a little bit more than usual, like faster. Like I think I'm almost done with a gallon, and it's 2 o'clock. But I'm having a steak plate, Diet Coke. I just finished up a Monster, and I'm probably gonna have a Quest bar. Let's do a cookie dough. Yeah. So, gonna get some work done while this is digesting, and then we're gonna hit a heavy push day. We're probably gonna hit bench press. All right, pre-workout: 1 scoop Basky, 1 scoop New Pump, and 1 scoop of Game Day. About to get it. I'm gonna have about 50 grams of carbs worth of these gummy bears. Even though I'm still kind of full, like I'm very satiated from yesterday's like non-counting day, all the food from BJ's, and we ended up going to Alberto's at the end of the night. Like, what time was it? Like midnight? Like midnight, I had a California burrito and like maybe a quarter of this big order of super nachos. Shared it with everybody else. But I'm good. Especially that I've been maintaining on higher macros, a good amount of calories, no cardio, just expending calories while training. I've been feeling good, like my strength and just like mentality, my mental state is just increasing. So it's time to push, time to gain back my my strength, get my lifts back up on the sumo, squat, and bench. So I'm excited to bench today. I think I'm feeling 100% after being. I was a little hungover this morning. When I say hungover, I'm not saying, I don't mean I'm like feeling sick or like just having the spins. I just mean like I'm not 100%. I know my body. I know how I feel when I'm 100%, and I wasn't 100% this morning, but I'm feeling good now after hydrating and having that Whopper grill. Texas working set 205, shooting for double. Hopefully a double. Up. did 3 sets of doubles. Now we're gonna do a slingshot to do some overload. I think it'd be good for me to handle more heavier weight. Because the 295, it's not hard, but it feels heavy. It feels foreign to me, the weight. My nervous system's like, what the hell are you doing? More. You gotta explode. Go! Alright, 315 for me with the slingshot. It's kind of sad because I used to get 315 for like 4. Now I gotta use the slingshot to overload. It's alright, I'll get back. Go. Come on, up. Ah! Alright, dumbbell incline. We're shooting for 5 to, or we'll go 6 to 8. Come on. Yep. All right, dumbbell shoulder press. We're shooting for 4 to 6 reps. Come on. Go. Go. Come on. Come on. Go. Go. More shoulder work, dumbbell laterals. Shooting for 6 to 8 reps. All right, last exercise of the day, rope tricep extension. Shooting for 12 to 15, 3 sets. All right, YouTube friends, this is how I look like after a night of drinking, eating, just having fun. I was 163.1 this morning. Yesterday I was 150 and 157s. So up about 6 pounds. But tomorrow morning I'll be majority of them. It's not too bad. I mean, I'm full. That's where the weight's coming from.
You go, I go, you stay, I stay. One song to sing.